Pause Slime Challenge.
You guys requested this so much, and trust me, I am not a little. I'm a lot scared because my mom is doing this challenge again. She's in charge of it. Go to the pantry and get all the sardines.
No.
Dumpster dive for sardines.
No, I don't have any sardines today.
Oh, that means she has something worse.
But I have some tricks up my sleeve.
What? No! I hate this. Last time I barfed, and she took human eyeball blood.
Oh my god.
Last time was worse because she gave us reversed yak urine.
Okay.
Reverse osmosis.
She gave us a whole cat fur cupcake. Like it was just covered in cat
These
fur.
kids are making things up now.
We had to eat it. You. If you're new to our channel, I'm Italy. I'm Julia.
And I'm Rachel. They're fraternal twins, and I'm their older sister.
We would love for you to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.
If you do, you'll become part of our CG family.
So let us know in the comments down below if you've done those things, and you might get a shout out at the end. Let's get started.
So our mom just informed us that we are going to be trying to make the best soft serve slime as possible.
The best soft serve slime.
It's not sloth, serve slime.
Yes. Okay. By the way, here's a new ad. We have to be like sloths, so we have to pour.
Okay, Julia. So we're making
I'm like the
sauce.
opposite of a sloth. I'm like.
We're making sauce.
We haven't made soft serve slime in forever. I am really excited about this, but I really hope I just end up getting slime. Like, I don't even care what kind of slime it is, as long as it's slime. We need our bowls. Whoa, they disappeared. Oh, look, that's our bowls. Quick, everybody do a screen check. Wow!
Let's just make sure that it's really clean.
Do a screen check.
Thumbnail,
Because
look,
all this is necessary.
Okay, you guys, so now it is time to get started, and, well, Rachel's currently already doing that because she thinks she's
Rachel,
too quick.
Pause.
Can I?
Wait, Rachel, unpause. I just wanted to test and see if you would do it. Pause. Unpause. Pause.
I like this challenge.
Unpause. Julia, pause.
Mom.
You're good.
These bowls are big. We're okay. You know, I bet with Annalise, pause.
No, only mom can do that.
Only mom can do that.
Yeah, but I want to see how long
Here,
your vocal
Rachel,
cords can
you
go
give Annalise
for.
some glue?
She's gonna pause you.
I need to give her glue.
Well, she needs glue and you're covering the
I'll do
cabinet.
No, I don't trust this anymore.
All right, girls, get your ingredients. So for everyone who doesn't know, sausage slime is cornstarch and Annalise, pause.
There's not enough glue to fill your bowl, just so you know.
Wow, that's nice, Annalise. Unpause.
No. You're evil.
Oh, Julia. Pause, Julia. Julia. Pause.
I was holding it. I would have done it.
Annalise.
Yeah. Don't you dare.
Yeah.
Yeah. Get out. No.
Rachel's got an empty can.
Yeah, so you can't pause
Julia,
me.
pause.
Fortunately for us, cornstarch doesn't pour that fast.
Julia, unpause.
Hey.
Oh.
Hit me, bitch. One more time.
Annalise, pause.
I hate you.
Julia, pause. Rachel, Annalise, and Julia need shaving cream.
No. Stop. I wanted to do this.
I'm sorry.
That's enough.
No, I
But
think we need more.
I'm an older sister. I get my sweet, sweet revenge today.
Julia needs some too, though. Oh, Annalise, you're not on pause.
Annalise, did you shave my hair?
It's in my
Oh.
You're not on pause.
Please. Oh, please. Please.
Julia, Rachel,
What?
Annalise broke the rules,
Get
but
out.
you can use more.
It's getting over.
Can I click on pause? It's out. Mom.
Julia, Annalise, on pause. No.
Alrighty. Please, Annalise, we have to scrape her. Yeah. Rachel, pause. Wow. I'm kidding. No, I'm not kidding. Oh my god. Here, wait. I'm gonna help you. Okay. Oh, it's not
Stop.
bad. It wiped off. typed up. I got it. Guys, my thing is looking spectacular.
Hey guys, I got you some food dye.
Woo! I'm gonna do.
Rachel, pause. Annalise, I think Rachel loves pink food dye.
Oh, she does.
I think she loves it. It's her
Oh, that's
favorite, and I think
wonderful.
she wants a lot of pink. Yeah.
You're gonna give us unicorn poop curse again, you know.
No unicorn poop. Just lots of pink.
Let's get the other one here.
Pause.
Your paws, you can't move. There's red right there.
It's not red.
Oh, that's good. That's
Oh, it
really
is.
good. Annalise.
Okay. That's gonna be a beautiful. Should we stop now?
I don't think so.
All right.
Rachel, unpause, Rachel. Annalise, I think you're good.
I know. I'm really good at this one.
Yeah.
Now pause for
Annalise,
disobedience.
I don't like you. No, I'm gonna put too much. I have an exact
No,
ratio.
Mom,
See, let me see
let's
if you
put
got
some
I have a
nice
ratio.
yellow.
Stop!
Oh, wow.
No, stop applying my ratio.
That's really nice, Annalise.
No. Okay, it's out.
Is it empty? Then unpause. This is empty.
Hang on, if you pause, does that mean you also have to stop your muscles from moving?
Yes. Julia, pause.
Hey, that's not fair.
Rachel.
Whoa, look at this. I want to get this.
Julian does not need any purple.
Oh, Julia apparently wants purple, Rachel.
Why are we doing exactly what she said? Why can't we just add yellow?
She wants purple, I think.
Let's add some
She really
yellow.
wants some purple.
I heard purple. I heard her say
That's not purple.
don't squeeze
We'll
it
do a
in.
mixture of the
Guys, no! Stop it, Rachel! Mom, should I keep going? Please, please.
Yeah, I think that's probably good. Very nice,
How do you
Julia. I like
feel?
your color.
Can I have-
Julia, you're unpaused.
I'm gonna add so much more shaving cream.
deactivate.
Yeah.
This is a fun challenge, huh?
Rachel, pause.
Oh.
So Rachel, earlier I asked you to clean your room.
You never did.
You never did.
You never told me to.
I did tell you to clean your room.
You didn't.
Maybe that was yesterday.
Yeah, that was probably like last week.
It was yesterday, but you didn't actually clean it.
It was like a week ago, guys.
I think your sister should help you and add lots of saline.
Oh yeah. Let's get it going. Come on. Uh-oh. Well, don't worry. We have another
That's
bottle.
all we got.
I know.
Don't use it all.
If
You won't be
use
able to
it all,
activate
you will
yours.
not have any for yourself.
Ready?
Yours is massive.
Unpause.
Hang on. You guys never said I couldn't remove any.
Oh no. You're gonna get everywhere. This is terrible. This is just a work of art.
Look, I'm removing it all.
I'm moving kind of fast. Oh my. Look at me. I'm fixing my purple slime. I don't want her to pause me when I'm pouring something in.
Yeah, why don't we just, add some guts
So
to
I'm not
this?
gonna add anything in for a while.
Rachel, pause. Julia and Annalise. I think
Shoot.
Rachel needs shaving cream.
Really?
Rachel, what's up? Annalise,
That one's out.
Rachel.
Of course.
unpause.
Okay.
How do you feel about that, Rachel?
Pretty good, actually.
Oh, really?
Annalise, pause.
No.
Rachel, I feel like Annalise needs more cornstarch.
Oh, Julia, would you
I just used it all.
All of it?
How about some baking soda for the dear poor girl?
Give her whatever's left.
Ah,
Oh,
of course.
bummer.
And finality.
A little
If I could get the
bit.
jar.
Only a
Baking
little.
soda,
Only a
Rachel.
little. Only a little though. Only a little. Please.
could
Do
just
as
dump
much.
the
Mom,
entire-
how much did she add?
I could
Rachel,
add the
just give
entire
her
bottle.
A little baking soda.
Only like a
She
sprinkle.
can use just a little.
I can't get the bottle. Julia, can you do this?
Do you want me to do it for you?
No, you're
Annalise,
paused.
why don't you pause with your stuff in here?
What? No. Here. Only though she said. Oh, let's go.
Annalise, Rachel, that seems like good.
Ah!
What was that necessary?
It was
You're not
not.
paused yet.
This. Oh, dang it. Oh, dang it. Oh, it's in my mouth. What's the purpose of that? What's one up?
You're unpausing.
Did it went up? Did it go up your nose?
No, it went in my mouth.
Well then.
Oh, it's not as tasty as it
Seems
looks.
like you'll live.
Ooh, Julia, you looking pretty good. Do you have any more shaving cream or cornstarch? Because I need both really bad. Oh, look at this is shave gel.
No, it's not. Okay,
I'll use it.
so I just found some shaved.
Okay, this is actually turning out really well. My slime looks pretty nice. I'm pretty proud of it, actually.
Pause. Annalise.
No.
I feel like your slime isn't creamy enough.
Oh, yeah.
Like soft serve is kind of creamy, right?
Yeah, it's good.
Wait, Rachel, I've got a better idea.
Okay.
I have this sour cream. Sour cream makes things creamy. Here you go. Here you go, Rachel.
It was so pretty. It was so beautiful. Biggest grave. So, no, please. It's creamy enough. Annalise, you're gonna have a very creamy slime.
All right.
You're gonna have a nice creamy slime, Annalise.
Yeah, it's probably gonna smell great.
I bet it'll be so creamy and dreamy and wonderful.
Hey, would you like me to rub this on?
No,
you
please,
first?
no.
Okay, that's good, Rachel. Thank you so much, Rachel.
There we
Yes,
go.
G, Rachel, thank you.
Yes,
Annalise, you're on pause.
Oh my gosh! It's purple.
Yeah.
It's so cold. It smells like a mix of like. Oh my gosh! Barf and fart. Yes, I know. PVA and sour cream and the top secret. It's so cold.
Rachel, pause.
Yes. What can I do, Mother?
I feel like Rachel's slime
It's also
just
not
lacks
creamy
a
enough.
little color.
I see
I
that.
was thinking like, do you see these kind of, let me just figure it out. Hold on. I think Rachel actually could use some sprinkles.
Some sprinkles. Yeah. No, I know what you're
this
going
bottle of,
for. Fruity Pebbles.
yeah, they're Fruity Pebbles from Prank Slime.
Oh, I like that idea. Rachel, would you like this? You want that? Yes? I'm pretty sure she wants it. Let's pile them on there, shall we? Oh, yeah, all of them. Oh, by the way, Rachel, it's a good snack. You hungry? What's that? How to get rid of crunch them like they mean it.
Perfect.
It actually looks really pretty.
Rachel.
Unpaused.
Rachel, unpaused.
Yes, I have crunch.
Now it's time for Julia. Want me to go grab an egg?
No.
Oh, actually,
Yeah, Annalise is determined for revenge.
I'm mad. I'm really mad. Hey, why don't you get that shaving cream on me? It's making my slime stringy.
Making your slime stringy?
See this?
Oh, no. That's terrible. Julia.
Yes.
Julia.
But this lid is on. Where's
Julia.
what?
Do you know I love you?
Yeah, I know.
Julia.
No, you do not love me if you pause.
Julia, pause.
Her devotion to her child.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna
So
drip.
here's the deal. I have this cat litter.
I'm ready, girl.
But we put in another slime challenge for prank slime. Annalise, could you give Julia a little cat litter for like texture? She needs some texture.
Just a really little bit, please.
Oh, that's it. That's about good. That's perfect, Annalise. Thank you.
I know, I'm really
Julia, you may unpause.
No one said I couldn't. No one said I couldn't. No one said I couldn't.
And Annalise crushed it into my slime.
It smells like a cat pooped in it.
Oh no.
No one said I couldn't. I'm determined. It's flaking. Let's do it. Hey, I feel like. My head. No. Silva, it's in my slime.
What was that? Cat
All
litter.
right, no more. Okay, guys, find out. Rachel, pause them, quick, pause them.
Rachel, Annalise, and Julia, pause. Rachel,
Mom?
Annalise, and Julia.
Mom?
Annalise, unpause. The carpet. Julia, unpause. Okay, Julia and Annalise, put your sleeve on the table and pause.
I'm
Julia.
so mad at you.
Slime on the table. Slime on the table, Julia.
I got you.
Pause.
Slime on the table.
Julia, put your slime on the table.
This is fun. This is vocabulary. What
gonna do this for?
I
I submit for one. Kids need to clean
Kids
more
need-
than they do.
They do, and there's cat litter all over the carpet.
The mom should do the vast majority of work, so no.
And you are cleaning this.
Joe, can you hand me that shave gel? Because I really need some more of my slime.
Annalise,
For
pause.
what reason?
Rachel, could you give Annalise some shave gel?
Sure.
She seems to want some, so make sure you give her enough that she gets what she wants.
Yep.
Annalise, is that about good?
No, yes.
Hang on, just to make sure this is permanent. Yeah, there you go.
Wow, Annalise,
Good
your hand is a mess.
job.
Annalise,
You're sharing your slime.
Annalise, you're on pause.
You're helpless right here.
When they ask you how you feel, you have to say you're fine, but you're really not fine. Oh, this is so much everywhere. Holy.
Oh, that's too bad. You kind of had a nice slime before.
Oh, and now Gus decides.
You want shaving gel.
Why did I want to do this video?
Why do you want to do?
No.
Oh, Rachel.
It's empty anyway. Look, see?
Oh, it's empty.
Oh no, I don't trust this. I don't trust this. No, I don't trust this.
Annalise has.
No, go to her first. Go to her first. Here, I'm gonna swirl it. Ready? Ready?
It's a beautiful mess.
Watch this swirl. It really is nice. Gee, Mom, thanks.
You're welcome.
You know what's gonna be in your bed tomorrow?
Rachel, let me see your slime.
My slime. Beautiful.
It is
What?
beautiful. Let me see.
The little chunks of cat. Hey, I need some activator. Just makes the whole thing
Look
pop.
at this.
Mom, I really need some activator. It's so. And look at the sour cream. Is that good or bad? Actually, you know what? No, I'd rather have it too sticky. Mom, look at the sour cream. Look at the sour cream.
Our sour cream was edible. No, it's not.
And somehow through all of this, he's still asleep.
Gus?
Gus?
Oh, did you hear that? Guys, this video gave me a rash. See, it's called purplitis. This is also purple phantagianism.
Wow.
We're gonna clean up for a minute. We'll be back. So, despite my mom's attempt to destroy our slimes, we still ended up to make some pretty nice ones. They're really like soft. The only problem with mine is it has too much texture. Well, that's the whole point of cat litter. Mine, it just stinks in general. I mean, it stunk a little bit before, but now it just stinks, man. It's just. And Rachel, what do you say about yours? She has.
Nice.
It's very Oh, yeah. We do not have unicorn poop, so at least we have that going for us.
This was really fun, you guys, but now it is time for shout-outs.
Mayhem, Rashid,
Ham for Heathers.
Jolie, Dalton, hashtag Trasher Roblox, hashtag
Abiha R.
and Naya Witherspoon.
Thank you so much for being part of our CG family.
We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. We love you guys so much. Bye.